Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern training and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. This is our YouTube channel where we explore the latest trends in interior design. In this video, we are diving into the world of modern wardrobe designs that are not only functional but also add a touch of elegance to your living space. Join us as we showcase a stunning collection of sleek, stylish, and space-saving wardrobes that are perfect for contemporary homes. Whether you are revamping your bedroom, renovating your walk-in closet, or looking for clever storage solutions, these modern wardrobe designs have got you covered. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find these wardrobe designs inspiring, and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you have not already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting interior design content. Wardrobe designs vary widely depending on individual preferences, available space, and the overall interior design style of the room. Here are some popular wardrobe design ideas that you can consider. Number 1. Sliding doors are a great space-saving option for smaller rooms. They glide smoothly along the tracks, and you can choose from various materials like glass, mirrors, or wood to suit your style. Number 2. If you have ample space available, a walk-in wardrobe can be a luxurious addition. It allows you to have separate sections for hanging clothes, shelves for accessories, and even a dressing area. Number 3. Built-in wardrobes are custom designed to fit seamlessly into the available space, maximizing the storage available, complementing the room's aesthetics. Number 4. Open wardrobes are becoming increasingly popular for their minimalistic and contemporary look. It involves exposed hanging reels, shelves, and sometimes even no doors at all. Number 5. Mirrored wardrobe doors add a sense of depth to the room and serve a practical purpose, allowing you to check your outfit from head to toe. Number 6. If your room has a more classic or traditional theme, a wardrobe with ornate detailing and rich wood finishes can be a suitable choice. Number 7. Clean lines, sleek handles, and minimalistic design elements define modern wardrobe, making them perfect for contemporary interior styles. Number 8. Corner wardrobes utilize corner spaces efficiently, providing ample storage without taking up too much wall space. Number 9. L-shaped wardrobes are designed to fit along two adjacent walls, offering a good amount of storage and creating a cozy alcove for dressing. Number 10. A combination of open shelves and closed cabinets can add visual interest to the wardrobe while providing easy access to frequently used items. Number 11. Consider adding LED lights inside the wardrobe to illuminate the interior, making it easier to find them in dim lighting. Number 10. Customized drawer insert can help you organize small items like jewelry, ties, socks, and accessories more efficiently. When designing your wardrobe, keep in mind the available space, your storage needs, and your personal style preferences. If possible, consult with a professional interior designer or carpenter who can help create a bespoke wardrobe that perfectly suits your requirement and complements your room's design. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.